seen the thumbnail of this video. Incredible, isn't it? So if you want to know more about it, just see the video to the end. Today, we are in Dubai, the city of dreams, where we will explore a stunning mega mansion that is worth more than $200 million. This is not just a house. This is a palace with over 100,000 square feet of living space, 10 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, and countless amenities that will make your jaw drop. Let's go inside and see what this incredible property has to offer. As we enter the gated compound, we are greeted by a majestic fountain and a grand driveway that leads us to the main entrance. The mansion is designed in a classic Arabic style, with intricate details and lavish materials. The exterior is covered with more than 700,000 sheets of gold leaf, giving it a royal appearance. The foyer is a sight to behold, with a soaring ceiling, a marble staircase, and a crystal chandelier. A foyer leads to the main hall, which is the heart of the home. Here, we find a spacious living room, a formal dining room, a library, and a home theater. The living room features a fireplace, a piano, and a large TV screen. The dining room can seat up to 24 guests and has a custom-made table and chairs. The library has an impressive collection of books and a cozy seating area. The home theater has a projector, surround sound system, and reclining seats. The first floor of the mansion houses the master suite, which is the ultimate retreat. The master bedroom has a king-sized bed, a walk-in closet, and a balcony with a view of the garden. The master bathroom has a jacuzzi tub, a steam shower, and his and her sinks. There is also an office, a gym, and a spa in the master IT. The second floor of the mansion has 9 more bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and closet. Some of the bedrooms have balconies or terraces with views of the city or the sea. There is also a lounge area and a game room on this floor. The basement of the mansion has even more surprises. Here, we find an indoor pool, a sauna, a bowling alley, and a nightclub. The pool has underwater speakers and lights that change color. The sauna has aromatherapy and chromotherapy features. The bowling alley has 4 lanes and an arcade area. The nightclub has a DJ booth, a dance floor, and a bar. The mansion also has an elevator that connects all the floors and an underground garage that can fit up to 20 cars. As we exit the mansion, we can admire the beautiful landscaped garden that surrounds it. The garden has palm trees, flowers, and fountains. There is also an outdoor pool, a jacuzzi, a gazebo, and a barbecue area. The pool has a waterfall feature and an island with sunbeds. The jacuzzi has jets and bubbles that massage your body. The gazebo has comfortable cushions and curtains that create privacy. The barbecue area has a grill, a sink, and a fridge. The mansion also has access to the beachfront, where you can enjoy the sun and the sand. You can also take advantage of the amenities of the Palm Jumeirah community, such as tennis courts, restaurants, hotels. This mega mansion is truly one of a kind in Dubai and in the world. It offers luxury, comfort, entertainment, and security in one package. It is perfect for anyone who wants to live like royalty in the city of dreams. Thank you for watching this episode of Luxury Homes. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing properties around the world. See you next time.